Hi everyone, it's New Monster, and today I want to show you how to charge your Breeze Pro. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to get this bottom piece off right here. So in order to do that, you're going to need something to like clamp onto it, or maybe like a razor to stick into it and kind of pull off like that. So I'm going to show you. What I got are these pair of clamps. Now I'm going to stick these on the bottom piece, kind of like this. It's going to take me a sec, one sec. Alright, I got it open. I ended up using these, kind of clamped on it like that and pulled it out. But it took me a few minutes. But anyway, now that you got this out, pull it slowly, and then you're going to see something right there, and you're going to see a little battery in there. You got to pull that battery out. So what you do is take something like this, really small, kind of shove it, and just see if I can get that in the camera. Let me just see. Anyway, right into there. Kind of just pull that out. Might take a few tries. Slowly but surely. There we go. Got it. Now you need to get the battery out. This might be a little bit tricky because there is some glue in there that's holding it together. So just be careful with this one. You gotta like get in there like that. Good thing is they kind of stretch out, so pulling it out. There we go. Now turn it around. Let me see if I can't get that in. Close that in. Hold up. Okay, you see that black right there? You need that. Okay. Now you're gonna take your charger cord. You're gonna need like an Android cord. I would say you need an Android cord, and you need to get the little rubber piece off. What I used was some scissors. I kind of just cut it off like this, and then you need to expose these wires. You're gonna see a red and black one. Those are the ones you need. You don't need these two. Those you can just put to the side. I tucked them under like that so they're not in the way. Now with your Android cord plugged in, you want to take your two wires. You want to connect the red right here into there. Usually you just hold it down with your thumb right there. That's what I do. Hold it down with your thumb. And then you see the black right there. You need to get it in there. So this might take a little bit of maneuvering. Hold up. Okay. The red. And then with it held down, so you can't see the red one, but I do have it on there, in the black one. You hold it down, and I'd say hold it down for about 30 seconds to a minute, maybe a little bit longer depending on how much hit you're trying to get. And then after you're done with that, just put it back together. Alright, now that you got it together, you should be able to hit it with it working. Everything should work. It's only going to work for a couple of hits though. So it's just a temporary to get you a couple of puffs. And just be careful doing it. It can be kind of dangerous with that battery in there. Just be mindful of that. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.